When this is all said and done, life will show you who you truly are.
Like a mirror.
Sink or swim.
Fly or die.
There's no hiding no more. The truth is out. The truth will set you free. So let it be. From G to G, that's me to you. The truth will set you free. So what you gon' do? When this is all done, you gon' win. You coming out with more friends or more enemies. Less G's. Let me see. Let me think. Let me contemplate. Let me never hate. Let me always teach. Let me always preach. Haters say it's fake. The real know it's true. That's from me to you. A G to who? The truth in the booth is proof of what to do. That's hustle. Gain muscle and teach. Spread your reach. What worked yesterday won't work today, no way. What worked yesterday will not get you a new play. What worked yesterday will not be the play. You need to hustle like it's a goddamn new day. New day. Hustle like it's a new day. What's the silver lining? New day. The truth, yeah. You need to hustle like it's a new day.